Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can tag products on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will be needing to have eligibility to be able to tag products on YouTube Shorts. And basically, you will need to be eligible for this feature and then you can start tagging the product. And first thing, you will need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program or YPP here. And basically, those are the eligibility criteria. And you can check this program and you will be needing to be accepted this so you can have this feature added into your YouTube studio and then you will be able to start tagging products. So this is what you need. You will need first to be resident in where the YPP is available, and basically those are uh, the criterias or those are the countries, and basically we need just to finish all these criteria, and of course you will need to be able to be eligible to tag the products. After that, after you are making sure that you are eligible to tag products on YouTube Shorts, all you need to do is simply to start editing your shorts and then you can start tagging the products. So from here, you will be needing to go to option and you will be able to see a products button. So all you need to do is to search for the products button here and you can find this also in your mobile app and you will need just to search for the products and basically that's it. And by adding the products, you will have your products that will be added into your video and they will have this product button or the products icon that will be showing on your shorts so you can have some kind of affiliation, etc. And also you can just go to your to the support uh, page so you can see all the troubleshootings concerning the product tags, some disclosures that you will be needing to add, etc., etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.